You wake up in the morning. And before you're even fully awake, you reach for your phone. Just 5 minutes, you tell yourself. Just a quick check. But be honest. Has it ever really been just 5 minutes? It turns into 30. Then an hour. And sometimes even more. And when it's over, you feel it. That quiet dissatisfaction. That feeling in your chest. Like something is missing. And then the thoughts begin. Why am I like this? Why can't I focus? Why am I never truly satisfied? But what if I told you? You're asking the wrong question. Because the problem is not that you don't have enough. The problem is not that you're ungrateful. The real problem is your brain has trapped you in a loop. A loop that makes nothing ever feel like enough. Think about this. You buy something new. A new phone. New clothes. Or you finally reach a goal you've been chasing for a long time. For a moment, it feels good. Maybe even amazing. But that feeling fades faster than you expect. And suddenly, everything feels normal again. And then something dangerous happens. Your mind tells you. You just need more. More success. More money. More recognition. More of everything. And that's where the problem begins. What you're experiencing is not random. Your brain is designed to adapt. No matter how good something is. No matter how big your achievement. After a short time, it becomes normal. And when something becomes normal, it stops feeling special. That means you can achieve everything and still feel empty. You can have everything and still feel like something is missing. And the worst part is, you don't even realize that you're stuck in this loop. Every single day, you chase the next goal, the next upgrade, the next small hit of happiness. But that happiness is always temporary. And every time it disappears, it leaves behind a sense of emptiness. An emptiness that pushes you forward. To keep searching. To keep chasing. Without ever truly arriving. And this is where it becomes dangerous. Because if you don't understand this loop, it will control your entire life. You will always think, just one more goal, then I'll be happy. But that, then, never comes. Maybe you recognize yourself in this. Maybe you've already achieved things you once dreamed about. And yet, it doesn't feel the way you expected. Not enough. Never enough. Here's the truth. You are not the problem. You are not weak. You are not undisciplined. You are simply overstimulated. Your brain has become used to constant rewards. Fast. Easy. Effortless. Scrolling gives you dopamine. Likes give you dopamine. Short videos give you dopamine. And the more you consume, the more your brain adapts. Your brain starts expecting everything to be fast. Everything to feel good immediately. And that changes everything. Because real life doesn't work like that. Real success is slow. Real growth takes time. Real satisfaction comes from depth, not speed. But your brain is no longer trained for that. It's trained for speed. For quick stimulation. For instant rewards. And that's why everything else feels hard. Work feels exhausting. Learning feels boring. Focusing feels impossible. Not because you're weak. but because your system is out of balance. And here's the truth. Most people don't want to hear. If you don't change this, nothing will change. You'll keep scrolling. Keep delaying. Keep telling yourself that tomorrow will be different. But tomorrow never comes. Days turn into weeks. Weeks turn into months. And suddenly, you realize you're stuck. Same habits. Same routine. Same frustration. But here's the good news. You can fix this. Not instantly. Not perfectly. But step by step. The first step is simple. Stop automatic consumption. Tomorrow morning, don't touch your phone. For the first hour. No scrolling. No notifications. No distractions. Just you and your thoughts. It will feel uncomfortable. Maybe even boring. But that's the point. Your brain is not used to doing nothing anymore. The second step. Reduce artificial dopamine. Less short-form content. Less endless scrolling. Replace it with something real. Reading. Learning. Creating something meaningful. The third step is the most important. Learn to appreciate slow things again. Progress that takes time. Work that requires effort. Results that don't come instantly. Because that's where real satisfaction is built. And here's something that will change everything. Satisfaction is not a destination. It's a skill. A skill that you must train. If you're always chasing more, you'll never have enough. But if you learn to see what you already have, everything changes. This doesn't mean you should stop improving. It simply means you must stop delaying your happiness into the future. Because life doesn't happen someday. It happens now. So the next time you reach for your phone automatically, pause for a moment and ask yourself one question. Are you in control? Or is your brain controlling you? Because in the end, you only have two choices. Distraction or control. Instant pleasure or real satisfaction. And the decision you make today will determine who you become tomorrow.